GoPro I've had before this one.
Oh, here we go. Here goes the first cut. We're gonna see if it'll work or not. Well, there's an issue. The air's not supposed to stay on like that, but it did cut, and it cut hella clean. It did pierce it, but I gotta fix that little pierce. If you can see that. First cut. That shit's not covered up. That's why I was trying to stand there and block it.
I didn't even know it.
Cut number 2. Cut.
Seats in my truck too.
Let her rip.
My bad. Wrong button. Current position.
Yeah.
Brake point pierce not down.
How rude. Cut number 2. So I'm kind of getting the hang of this thing. Currently, I jumped on the internet real quick and looked up on for like a free file just to plas out. So we're gonna cut that and see how it works. If it works out great, I'll put the link in the description of the website and go from there. But I want to get into designing my own, so I'm just doing this to cut a few things. You know how it is when you get a new toy, you want to play with it. So I've already done a couple cuts already. So the first one, it pierced in it. The second one, it cut it correctly. Third one, same thing, real nice, clean edges. So let's do this fourth one. See what, I don't know what it's doing. I think it might be tracing. I don't know what it's doing. It's like way off into La La Land. I don't know what it did. I don't know why it's pulling like all those lines like that. So I may have to test it out. I don't know. As we're underway with cutting on the machine, we are definitely getting the machine dialed in. I'm going to be dialing it in for a little more thicker metal, as I'm cutting on 16 gauge right now. But yeah, machine's working good. I just got a different air compressor, quiet one. Works much better. So now we're going to be getting into cutting some signs. I love this thing. The compressor's on. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but it's not really that loud. It's a hell of a lot quieter than this guy. You could see it's on its last leg. I'll get back to you when the part is cut. Here is the finished product after the cut. I think it turned out pretty badass. Got some 3/16 to play with here pretty soon. Other than that, I just wanted to, this is probably going to be the end of this video. Just remember, guys, dreams are only fantasy if you're not willing to put in the work. Again, appreciate everybody for watching. Please like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you made it this far in the video, we are 50 subscribers away from having another giveaway. So share, tell your friends, family, co-workers all about the channel. We are getting, I'm already cutting some more stuff right now as we speak. So stay tuned for stuff on that. I'll be posting short stories here. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.